Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre, match Evo 80 PS. The car's a cracker and it has a good spec, including a hydraulic brake assist, hill hold control, an automatic post-collision braking system, front and rear parking sensors, alongside these 15-inch Seyne alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot, it's a good size and it comes fully equipped with a spare wheel. The interior has Volkswagen Connect, 2 USB ports for Apple or Android CarPlay, and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Weston Volkswagen Newbridge.